How to clear the call history in your messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can clear your call history in your messenger. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are currently using, and you just have to search for your messenger. So now once you're in the messenger, you just have to click on it and make sure that your messenger is updated. And after updating it, you just have to go back and open it. So now once you are in here, you have to go in your call logs option, and once you are in, as you can see that here is all of the call history. Now how you can delete it, you just have to select the call log, and from here you have to swipe it to the left side, and after that, as you can see that here is the option of the delete. You just have to click on it, and from here is the confirmation to delete your call history. So this is how you can delete your call history in your messenger application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.